Hey there and welcome back to our channel. Today we have got a quick guide for you on how to hide your Snapchat score. Whether you are looking for a little more privacy or just curious about this feature, we will walk you through it step by step. So let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you are logged in into your account. In the top left corner, tap on your profile icon to access your profile page. You will see your Snapchat score displayed on your profile. This is the total number of snaps you have sent and received. In the top right corner of your profile, there is a gear icon. Tap on it to access your settings. Scroll down and find Privacy Control. Tap on Contact Me. This will allow you to adjust who can view your Snapchat score. Here you will have two options, Friends and Contact. Friends means only your friends can see your score, and Friends and Contact means your score is visible to everyone. If you want to hide your Snapchat score from a specific person, you either have to block that person or remove that person from your friend list. There are no other ways to hide your Snapchat score from everyone. So here, select your preferred option and make sure to save your settings. And there you have it. You have successfully adjusted your Snapchat score visibility to your preference. Whether you want it completely private or just visible to your friends, it's all in your control. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.